Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew. In this video, we're going through an apartment that's located in Alejandria. It's a neighborhood within El Poblado. It's a pretty exclusive neighborhood. This apartment has been completely remodeled. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. And the location is prime because it's walking distance to the Golden Mile. It's just a short drive to all of the restaurants in Provenza and Parquelleras and Parque del Poblado and Barrio Manila. This is the kitchen area here and the laundry area as well. A lot of space here. Very well organized. I love the layout. It's very, I guess, American style layout with the kitchen, living space, little hallway here with the first bathroom here. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. This is the full bath there. It's the shared bath. And this is the room that doesn't have the bathroom in it. You could easily fit a king size bed in there. That's a queen size, I do believe. And this is the master bedroom. A lot of space in this master bedroom. And that's Alejandria. That's the street down there that goes towards the Golden Mile. And this is the in-suite master bath, which I thought they did a great job with it as well. The remodel looks modern. It looks sleek. Beautifully done. Turnkey apartment. You could either move into it and live in it or put it up on Airbnb. This is the walk-in closet here. Love it. This one is listed at 760 million Colombian pesos, which is only $175,000. This is 102 square meters, which is about 1,100 square feet. And it's priced to sell because the owner is not in the country. So if you want to see this one, make an offer on it, or maybe you're looking for something different, make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll get to work. See you in the next video.